This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jinger Kelson. Calling all investors. Estate sale. Incredible opportunity to purchase a classic basement rancher in popular DEANE Hill. Public open house, Friday May 5th 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock, Saturday May 7th 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock and Sunday May 8th 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Contact list agent for more information. For more information, review the details below or contact Jinger Kelson at 865-584-4000.